braids, lifter to detangle hair, mousse to smoothen and secure the braids in place. I don't know why I included the crochet pin. And then we have scissors, rat tail comb for parting, and then offset wax to help hair slip down so we can part it clean, hair ties to secure and keep hair out of the way, and finally 2 mirrors, one behind and the other in front. So let's get started. Combing to remove any serious tangles. My hair is washed, conditioned, but not blown out. It's easier to part on blown out hair, so if you can, make sure you blow out your hair. Use the arch of your eyebrows to guide you on a U shape around your head. So I'm using my fingers to make rough sections or a sketch, a guide, so we have more workable sections. That is our first section. I usually create my division point right behind the ear, and that allows me to separate the front from the back. So you have your sketch ready, and now you want to clean your sections. Using your right tail comb, line up horizontally from the top of the ear. I'm going to use zero wax to make parts crisp and defined, or close to that. Trying to clean up that part as best as I can. This becomes easier when you practice. So you have a perfectly neat, clean section. Once you are confident with the section you have done, secure the other section. We can now break them down to smaller sections and start braiding. The nape of your neck is your guide for this part. Clean up by applying wax and then go through or over it with the end of your comb for a neat straight line. Knotless braids are a gentle protective styling, no pain during and after installation. Begin by plaiting your own hair once or twice and then adding the smallest piece of braiding hair. Braid 1 or 2 more stitches of hair and then add the next piece of hair. Braiding hair, I mean. You could add 3 or 4 pieces of hair depending on your desired thickness and length. I keep adding wax to my natural hair so as to blend it with the braiding hair. Today we are not learning how to tuck in our natural hair, so let's stick to parting and how to fit in braids. I'm not even bothered about tucking in my natural hair, so let's leave that for another time. Yeah, so those were the basics that I could share with you on how to part the back of your head or hair, whatever you call it. Yes, for jumbo knotless box braids. If you have anything better than this that we could learn, please include it in the comment section below. you're not subscribed to our channel, please, you are welcome to our farm. You simply click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a video.